Puerto Rico is bankrupt with actual debt that's twice the official figure. In an unusual step, Puerto Rico's leading media group openly declared on Tuesday, calling for the restructuring of a public debt that it says is really twice the official figure. Puerto Rico is broke, is the eloquent front page headline Tuesday of El Nuevo Día, the daily with the most readers in the U.S. Commonwealth, and which dedicates a 20-page special to proving that the Caribbean islands' accumulated debt is double the generally accepted figure of 73 billion. The article talks about a 167 and 46 billion debt, a frightening figure obtained by adding up interest on the debt and the deficit accumulated by retirement and public health programs. It goes on to say, you don't need to be an economist from Harvard to understand that this debt is unsustainable, says the editorial entitled Restructuring. It goes on to say there is no other choice, and which bluntly states that Puerto Rico's viability as a country is at stake. Now, this article that I'm reading, it was published back on February the 4th, 2015.